Welcome to Sheet Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this video tutorial you'll learn the quick and easy way to merge cells in an Excel spreadsheet. Merging cells means joining a larger or a smaller group of separate cells into one larger cell that will take up the area of the group. We'll look at the most effective and efficient way to do this. Go to the Home tab and then go to the Alignment section. Here you'll find 4 options to merge and unmerge cells. Let's look at an example. First, select the cells you want to merge and use the first option, Merge and Center, if you want the header of the table to be positioned right in the middle. If you don't want to center the text, use the third option, Merge Cells. This will join all 4 cells into one and the text will appear in the middle. If you want to merge cells horizontally, to make rows, select the area and click on Merge Across. This will create some space for notes and comments. To undo merging, select the whole area and click on the last option, Unmerge Cells. It's always better to merge cells containing no text at all or with text in one cell only. If you merge cells each containing information, Excel will display a warning message that only the data in the cell in the top left hand corner will show in the merged area and the other cells will be deleted. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Watch more videos that will help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.